Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this short little lecture, we are going to learn about using the genitive to express the meaning of more generally. As I said before, the genitive has this meaning of, and we can use it quite directly to express the same thing that we would express in various uses of in English. So where we would say of in English, we would use the genitive in Russian. And you already know this about possession, and you've learned the construction у меня есть, but we can use it very generally to say this is so-and-so's something. For example, чья это машина? Whose car is this? Это машина Лены. This is Lena's car. And notice that what we were saying literally is this is the car of Lena. We have car in the nominative, машина, and then we put Lena after car, and we put it in the genitive, Лены. Это машина Лены. This is the car of Lena, or this is Lena's car. Or, чей это учебник? Это учебник Димы. Whose textbook is this? This is Dima's textbook. Or literally, this is the textbook of Dima. And we can use the genitive in many other situations where we would say of in English. For example, Vladimir Putin, президент России. Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Joe Biden, президент Америки. Joe Biden is the president of America. Что это? Это фотография моей собаки. What is this? This is a photograph of my dog. And in all of those uses, all of those instances, we have no preposition, nothing like that. We just put the noun in the genitive. And this is one of the few places where word order is pretty fixed. In modern Russian, just standard spoken modern Russian, you're always going to want to put the word that's in the genitive after the word that's in the nominative. So we say машина Лены, the car of Lena. Президент России, the president of Russia. Фотография моей собаки, a photograph of my dog. And we're going to want to stick with that word order in pretty much all uses of this meaning.